Hello. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the DIV Opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using DIV to do the division of two numbers. 1. Before we dive into the example, let's understand the initialization of the variables. A. 2 digits, numeric with a value of 25. B. 2 digits, numeric with a value of 11. Result, 2 digits, numeric with a value of 0. It is supposed to hold the result. Remainder, 2 digits, numeric with a value of 0. It is supposed to hold the remainder value. XDSPLY, 50 characters, to display the message in program queue. Now let's explore how to use the DIV opcode to do the division of two numbers, then storing the result and the remainder. We will first keep variable a in factor 1 and variable b in factor 2, then result of the division will be stored in variable result. Then use MVR opcode to move the remainder to variable remainder. Then through DSPLY opcode you can get any message displayed on the program queue. In conclusion, the DIV opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for doing division of given numbers. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the DIV opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!